years with the Georgia Department of Community Affairs. We're the folks who bring you the Georgia Dream Homeownership Program. This series of videos will describe the program and help you decide if it is right for you. Georgia Dream Homeownership Program provides eligible Georgia homebuyers with a first mortgage loan. These loans are 30-year fixed-rate loans at very low or affordable interest rates. Georgia Dream loans are provided by participating lenders who have offices across the state, and an eligible borrower will meet the qualifications of an FHA, VA, USDA, or conventional uninsured loan. Your lender will decide the appropriate loan for you. In addition to a first mortgage loan, we provide down payment assistance. The down payment assistance comes in the form of a second mortgage loan, but this loan provides you a loan at no interest, you make no monthly payments, and you only repay the loan when the home is sold, refinanced, or no longer the borrower's primary residence. The amount of this loan can be $5,000 or it may be $7,500. All borrowers in Georgia are eligible for $5,000 if they are eligible for the Georgia Dream Homeownership Program. Our down payment loan must be used with a Georgia Dream first mortgage loan, and the buyer must contribute at least $1,000 to the transaction. That $1,000 can be appraisal fees, credit application fees, and other fees pertaining to the loan. These funds can be a gift or a loan if they meet the insurer guidelines. That would be the guidelines of FHA, VA, or USDA. In addition to a first mortgage loan and a down payment assistance loan, we provide buyers with homebuyer education. DCA funds homebuyer education through nonprofit agencies across the state. All borrowers are required to take some form of homebuyer education. Some buyers will be eligible for homebuyer education through an online source. Others will be required to attend homebuyer education counseling directly from one of our nonprofit agencies. Please discuss this with your lender and they will refer you to the appropriate source. All the information on the Georgia Dream program can be found at www.gadream.com. On this website, if you choose Home Buyer, you can locate a participating lender, print a copy of our brochure for more information, and locate homebuyer education providers. This video explains how you qualify for the Georgia Dream Homeownership Program. Who qualifies for a Georgia Dream loan? Most Georgia Dream homebuyers will be first-time homebuyers. That means they have never owned a home or they haven't owned a home in the past 3 years. However, there are areas where buyers do not have to be first-time homebuyers. Please talk to your lender about first-time homebuyer status. Eligible borrowers will have household incomes less than those shown on the screen. If you're in the Atlanta area, your household income may be up to $69,000 if you have 1 to 2 persons living in your household. If you have 3 or more persons in your household, you may have income up to $79,500. In all other areas of the state, families or households of 1 to 2 persons may have income up to $59,500. Households of 3 or more may have income up to $68,500. Remember, household income includes the income of all adult household members. There is also a purchase price limit. If you're purchasing in the Atlanta MSA, you may purchase a home that costs up to $250,000. Anywhere else in the state, your maximum purchase price is $200,000. Applicants may not own any other residential real estate at the time of closing. In addition to income limits, there are also asset limits. A borrower cannot have more than $20,000 or 20% of the purchase price in cash assets at the time of closing. Cash means monies in checking accounts, savings accounts, certificates of deposit, or readily redeemable stocks. Please discuss with your lender to make sure that your cash assets do not exceed this maximum. Retirement accounts do not count towards the maximum asset limit. Borrowers must have credit scores that meet program guidelines. Your lender will pre-qualify you for a loan. And if you meet the guidelines for our first mortgage loan, you may also qualify for down payment assistance. All information about the Georgia Dream program can be found at www.gadream.com. At this website, you can locate a participating lender, print a copy or review a copy of the brochure, locate homebuyer education providers. Please call the Georgia Department of Community Affairs at 404-679-4840 or 1-800-359-4663 if you need assistance with our website or additional information.